morning, Advika.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. What are you doing?
I'm eating waffles and drinking milk.
Okay. And is that your snack or
No, breakfast.
why are you eating waffles and drinking milk? Why don't you have a proper breakfast?
Because this is all we have right now.
This is all you have right now. Why is that?
Because we're in the hotel room and it's too hot to go outside and have.
Okay. Do you like waffles and milk though?
I do.
So you're glad that we don't have anything else. Okay, happy breakfast to you, Advika.
Thank you. Bye.